Welcome guys to another quick video guide. This time around we will be guiding you how you can install and set up Docker on Fedora 38. For those who don't know, Docker is an open source project that automates the deployment of applications inside Linux containers and provides the capability to package an application with its runtime dependencies into a container. It provides a Docker CLI command line tool for the lifecycle management of image-based containers. It's easy to install it on Fedora 38. Let's see how to do it wisely. Open Terminal on your Fedora. Update your Fedora. Enter the shown commands in correct sequence as shown. This includes adding Docker's repository as well. Once you are done adding it, you can install Docker and the required components with DNF as shown. It's done wisely. Docker has been installed successfully. You can verify the Docker installation with Docker version command. You must start Docker service before you can use it. Now you can test it running Docker's Hello World image. Seeing this message depicts correct Docker installation on your system. Happy docking!